Hey, what's up, guys? It's me and Trent
Yeah,
at Frankensons. This is Trent's first time here.
yeah.
I've been here for my first time 2 years ago. How'd you like it, Trent?
That is so awesome.
How'd you like
That's
it,
the first time, Firebird.
Yep. First time.
Yeah,
I see a lot of stuff here.
yeah.
I see Transformers. I see anime.
There's a lot of different stuff there.
Yep.
Yeah,
And you love anime, do you?
yeah, I do. And I have
Oh, shit, sorry.
from My Hero Academia.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
And just so you know, I know what.
Hey, look!
What?
I see Chopper.
Oh my gosh.
I see lots of One Piece stuff.
One Piece? Are you a fan of One Piece?
Yeah, and even Dragon Ball Z.
Where?
And even Jujutsu. It's Itadori. That's him, the powerful man.
Powerful man?
Yeah, from the Slayer one.
What?
Demon Slayer. That's Demon Slayer.
This?
Yeah,
Oh, I know this guy. The green guy.
the green guy. Oh, that's Tanjiro.
Make sure you get out of people's way.
Oh,
This way.
he does Midoriya Smash.
Midoriya Smash.
Yeah,
Anime guy? You a fan of One Piece?
yeah. I do.
Fan of One Piece?
This haircut.
And this is Nikki Robin.
Yeah.
I got many friends who are anime fans.
Uh-huh.
One of them is you.
Yeah.
Is you.
Uh-huh.
Got anywhere else to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bro, look at this.
Oh my
Transformers.
I see
This.
Yeah. The Simpsons.
And then there's Simpsons. And look, there's Krusty the Clown. And there's Shrek.
Oh my gosh, I see him.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Just Luffy and Naruto eating udon noodles.
Wait, isn't that Naruto?
Yeah, that's him with the yellow hair. Yeah, that's him. And I see Luffy.
Luffy
Yeah.
from One Piece.
Yeah.
And then there is
Mewtwo from.
and there's Kirby and there's Mario. They got phone cases and they got Hot Wheels. It's the Grinch.
Oh my gosh, she's alive.
They have dolls
Whoa.
and they have Legos over here. Woohoo! They have boards. Look at the comics.
Oh my gosh, I see it.
They have fan art. I'm sorry, what? Yeah, okay.
I love it's a big sword, Firebird.
Oh my god. Hey. Hey, don't hit it. Hey. Hey. Give it back. Okay, guys. Tell them I forgot my wallet.
Just
My
Rarity,
Little Pony.
Yeah, I love My Little Pony.
Wait,
Firebird.
hold on a minute. My sister used to watch that show.
Yeah. Just Rarity, Celestia, and Luna from My Little Pony.
And in here, they got Power Rangers,
Yeah.
and they got Marvel and DC,
Yeah.
and they got Star Wars.
Whoa. Mhm.
They got Star Wars,
Yeah.
and they got G.I. Joe.
G.I. Joe.
G.I. Joe?
It's inspired verse.
Yep.
Yeah. Big posters.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And they have DC and Marvel comics.
Whoa. Yeah.
Look how alive the store is.
Yeah.
Sports merch.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, there's Freddy right there.
And he's got those sharp ass claws.
Pop anime.
So Funko Pop anime.
Yeah. All over.
Look at all of this. Come to Frankenstein's right the fuck now.
Yeah.
And you'll find whatever shit you could find. Oh, that looks sus! That looks sus. Who wants to see this?
Yeah, who wants to see this shit?
Who the fuck, man?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That is so fucking awesome, Bobby.
I know, is it?
Yeah. Anime.
Yep.